Hi friends, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'll be doing the Antutu benchmark comparison between the OnePlus 7 Pro device versus the Realme X7 Pro versus OnePlus 8T device. As you can see, friends, so there are two OnePlus mobile phones, and in the middle there is a Realme X7 Pro, so which is going to be the Dimensity 1000 Plus processor. The OnePlus 7 Pro has the Snapdragon 855, and the OnePlus 8T has a Snapdragon 865. So the Snapdragon 855 is the same kind of chipset which is present in the Redmi K20 Pro as well. So in case if you want to know the Redmi K20 Pro device benchmark scores, you can even compare this one as well. So the OnePlus 7 Pro right now my unit has a 12 GB of RAM variant, and whereas the other two models they are having the 8 GB RAM variant. So recently, I did get this Realme X7 Pro device, which has the Dimensity 1000 Plus processor. So before I did use so many Snapdragon processors, even the Kirin processor, but this is the first time me using the Dimensity 1000 Plus processor. And there is another phone with the Dimensity processor, which is a Dimensity 800U in the Realme brand only. So try to check those videos in case if you are interested. So make sure to check the links in description, friends, for the playlist of the Realme X7 Pro. So you can find so many videos which are already uploaded on this smartphone. So more than 100 videos, so make sure to check that links in the description below for more details about this smartphone. So let's compare the Antutu benchmark score between all of these three smartphones, friends. So let's see what will be the highest and how much difference we can expect between all of these smartphones. So this is a quick Antutu benchmark comparison between the 855 Dimensity 1000 Plus and 865 processor, friends. And finally, as you can see here, so 4,74,000 is present in the Snapdragon 855 processor, so which is also really good. So you can definitely, even if you buy right now the Snapdragon 855 processor, you can easily use for the next few years as well. So this is a really good powerful processor. And whereas the Realme X7 Pro, which has got Dimensity 1000 Plus processor, so which is also performing pretty good. So above 5 lakhs is seriously good, friends, with the Dimensity 1000 Plus. So 5,30,000 overall the score which is there in the Realme X7 Pro. And finally the Snapdragon 865, which has the 5,71,000 score, so which is also another best Snapdragon 865 processor right now in the 2020. So in the future we'll be seeing the Snapdragon 875 and 888 as well. So make sure to subscribe to my channel. So if I get hands-on with that smartphone soon, I'll try to review as soon as possible. So this is a quick Antutu benchmark comparison, and so far the Dimensity 1000 Plus processor is kindly gives a very tough competition to the Snapdragon 855 and 855 Plus as well, but it's not kind of equal to the 865. So definitely there is a huge difference between this 865 and the Dimensity 1000 Plus processor. And that's it, friends. This is a quick Antutu benchmark comparison, and for more this kind of comparison, make sure to follow my channel Sai Tech Guru. And also thank you for all your support, and make sure to subscribe, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.